1955 Austin Healey 104 BN2. The BN2 model is more desirable of the 104 series. BN2s were a little later and came with a 4-speed transmission, as well as other improvements compared to the BN1. This particular car is a car we restored several years ago. The car has had an M conversion. The engine has been fully rebuilt to factory M specifications. High compression pistons, bigger carburetors, bigger camshaft, different exhaust system, a few other little modifications as well. Paint and body is absolutely beautiful. Panel fits are excellent. Paint's nice and smooth. Interior is all full leather. All very high quality. High quality carpets. See here on the dash, got the 100M plaque. It's a really fantastic car. Drives just as good as it looks. Restoration probably has less than 1,000 miles on it total. The car has always been babied and garaged since we did the restoration. Really gorgeous car, great color combo. Just as good as it gets, great driver. Please take a look at BritishSportsCars.com for more information.